There are some machines in the world that are so huge that they look like a scene from a Hollywood movie. Some of them demolish entire buildings, while others suck up the water of an entire pond in a few minutes. And this is such a devastating cutting wheel that it has the power to cut the entire world in two. So let's start this exciting journey today. This is the most powerful axe in the world. It is so powerful that its single blow is 1,000 times more powerful than an ordinary axe. When this gigantic axe weighing 2,000 kilograms falls on something, nothing is left but destruction. It was created by a group of popular YouTubers. Their goal was to make such a huge axe in the world that can crush any hard object in an instant. Cutting an entire car in two from the middle is like rice in front of this squirrel. Seeing the power and horror of this machine, anyone's hair will stand on end. This machine is so destructive that it is hard to imagine what could happen if it is not stopped. Its huge cutting wheel is designed in such a way that it can shred soil, stone, and even hard metal in an instant. Nothing is safe in front of these gigantic blades. Its hydraulic system is so powerful that it is capable of crushing an entire building in an instant. It is jokingly said that if this machine cannot be stopped, it may even split the world in two. Although in reality, this is not possible. At first glance, it may seem like a drone, but in reality, it is not a drone. It has two huge wings like a drone. These wings are not used for flying but for cutting tree branches and leaves. Sometimes it is necessary to cut leaves or branches to increase the yield of trees in large nurseries. When people do these tasks, a lot of time and effort is spent. This is exactly why this special machine was created. Although strange, these wings can work both vertically and horizontally. Inside the machine is a powerful 840 horsepower engine that drives the machine and the fans. Its working speed is so fast that it can clear the leaves and branches of about 2.5 bigas of land every hour. Can you imagine? Today, it is possible to empty a pond in just a few minutes. Do not mistake the machine you see on the screen for an ordinary pump. This is an Italian monster. It is very easy to operate. You can lift water from all inaccessible rivers, canals, or ponds by attaching it to the back of any tractor. The most interesting thing is that this pump can easily swallow all the mud, sand, or dirty water and spit it out again. It can move about 40,000 liters of water per minute. Where in our country's ordinary silo machine it takes about 2 hours to sedge 1 big of land, this mobile pump finishes the job in just 10 minutes. This special type of machine is used in different countries of the world to clean the floating mud in rivers or ponds. This machine removes the mud floating on the water in a flash. The speed of its work is amazing. It can remove the mud of about 10 acres of land in a day. The most amazing thing is that the machine is very easy to operate. It can be controlled by just one person. Where the rivers of our country are filled with mud due to the lack of such a machine, different countries of the world use this machine to clean the entire river in a day. This is the world's largest excavator. This machine is so big that a small excavator looks like an ant in front of it. Because the arm of the excavator is raised directly towards the sky. This excavator is about 35 meters long. That means it is as high as a 10-story building. Standing on the bank of the river, this machine can lift mud from the very depths of the river. Where the water current and depth work together, this monster machine can lift mud from a depth of about 70 to 80 feet. This machine is not only used to remove mud, but also to dig rivers, clean canals, break or build dams, etc. In dangerous places where people are at risk, this machine finishes the work from a distance. This huge machine weighs about 113 tons, and its engine power is 600 horsepower, which means it is an industrial powerhouse. Seeing this huge machine, you might think it is a robotic monster from a sci-fi movie. But you will be surprised to know that it is actually a huge material handler, which is an incredible combination of an excavator and a crane. This mechanical monster weighing 280 tons has been specially designed to handle all the huge ships coming to the sea. Especially when it comes to unloading all the huge ships carrying coal, it has no comparison. When thousands of tons of coal have to be unloaded quickly, this monster acts like a battlefield commander. Its huge paws can do the work of hundreds of people in an instant. In addition to coal, it is unmatched in handling stones, scrap metal, or wooden logs. Its special structure makes it several times stronger and faster than ordinary cranes. It is one of the most efficient machines in the world today in loading and unloading goods from large ocean-going ships. Left.